Alright, so hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download planes for FS10 and learn some customer X. So many people requesting. Okay, so just go to simulation.com/1/search, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download V777-200ER because I don't have that in my FS10. Okay, so um so choose one end of this stuff, choose any of this. Okay, so just any of this, and I'm going to choose the second link. Just click this, then click download file. Then it's now downloading. Okay, so and here it's now starting. Okay, so I'm going to click show all downloads so I can track this whenever I want. Okay, so it's about 54 megabytes, so it's going to take a while to download. Okay, so I'm going to post. My download speed is 31 kilobytes. That's so bad. That's my protection. Okay, so I'm going to post this video and I'm going to show you how to install this. So yeah, once down we are going to show you info. Okay, so coming this afternoon I'm going to show you how to download plays for FSX 9 and 10, and coming in Saturday night or Sunday morning or Sunday night, I'm going to show you updates about Microsoft Flight. Okay, so once it's downloading, I'm going to post this. Alright, so it's now take 21 megabytes, so patient and just wait. Alright, so right now finishing downloading this. Okay, so while this, okay, so go to your libraries folder, go to downloads folder, then let's wait. Okay, system finished. Okay, so extract this to your downloads folder before we go to put this into the aircraft folder. Okay, so it is extracting blah blah. Okay, cab. Okay, so just wait until this finished. Alright, so hi guys again. Okay, so here this is, you will find this. Okay, so says you can read the readme file. Okay, so blah blah. Okay, so go to 777-LR. They have all the aircraft to download it. Okay. Okay, so go to readme file again. Alright, so sorry about that post because it's very loud outside. Okay, so here. Okay, so this is the model. Okay, so first remove this 777 effects. Shh. Okay, so after that, okay, so let's have the model. Okay, so be sure that it's now side by side. Okay, so go to your computer, C, go to C program fast because of GIS Microsoft Similar X. But I have on the external hard drive, so I'm gonna go to E. I'm gonna go to E. Sorry, I'm gonna go to FSX, Windows 7. Okay, so first drag the effects. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, so put this 10 items to your FX folder. This is copy to FX. Okay, so when I finish adding that effect, okay, if you don't have effect folder, just follow this second step. Okay, so if you don't have effect folder, if you don't have, okay, so go to your flexible rotate folder again, go to sim objects, airplanes, drag the 777 file over to this, copy to airplanes, and it's still copied. And then just wait it. Okay, so we're now finished installing B777 LRF, and we're now finished. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so it's very good. Okay, so next, after you install that, launch FSX, Cellular X. Then just wait until this loads. You're gonna hear the music, but I'm going to turn the music off so you can hear the steps. Okay, so if you go to the current aircraft, click change. Okay, so when you select aircraft, okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so when you're to select aircraft, just go to the B, and here, as you can see, this is our installed aircraft, the Boeing 777-200 LRF Aerologic Cargo. Just hit OK. Then just wait until this loads. And here, this is the 777 LRF. Okay, so yeah, so then okay, so it's refreshing. Okay, so this is the Aerologic B737. Yeah, very nice. This is the FSX music. Okay. So this is the Aerologic here. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose my current location to KFHR, which is the default airport in FSX. Okay, so hit OK. Let's go. Just click. I'm not sure the virtual cockpit, so I'm gonna click fly now. Then just wait until this loads. And here, so this is download return data in here. Okay, so I'm gonna post. Okay, so we're gonna finish. I'm installing this. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to post this. So yeah, so this is the 777-200ER. It's very nice, very sleek. Yeah, very nice. Very nice, very sleek. When you go to the outside, that's a virtual cockpit, and this is the spot view. It's just about this. It's really light because of it's really color, but you can see, very nice. Very nice 777-200ER. Yeah, so it's very nice. So I'm going to turn on any of the stuff. So it's lighting. Okay, so everything is clickable. So when I click this, it's clickable. Okay, so here. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy, you guys. And this is the 12-minute video tutorial how to install aircraft from Microsoft Flight Simulator 10. Okay, so that's now. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.